Benefits of cloud security system. We understand how to cloud computing security operates to find way to benefit your business. Cloud-based security system benefits the business by protecting protecting the business from dangers, protect against internal threats, preventing data loss, top threats to the system include malware, ransomware, and break the malware and ransomware attacks. Malware poses a server threat to the businesses. More than 90% of malware comes by mail. It is often reassuring that employees download malware without analyzing it. Malicious software installs itself on the network to steal files or damage the content once it is downloaded. Ransomware is a malware that hijacks systems data and asks for financial ransom. Companies are reluctant to give ransom because they want their data back. Data redundancy provided the option to pay a ransom for your data. You can get that was stolen with minimal service interruption. Many cloud data protection solutions identify malware and ransomware. Firewalls keep malicious email out of the inbox. DDoS security. Distribute denial of service like DDoS is flooded with requests. Website show, slows down the downloading until it processes for handle the number of requests.